It's perfect. It's nitamu. It's nice.
Hi everyone, my name is Eddie. I'm from NatureLock, where I work as the lead product developer. And I'm here at the Green Spoon Kitchen going to show you how to use our Stewsday Dengu original to make Dengu stew with chipolatas that is served alongside rice. This Stewsday Dengu is a natural product made with natural ingredients. It is ready in 3 minutes because it is pre-cooked. All you just have to do is put it into hot boiling water for it to be a ready-to-eat meal. So we're going to use half an onion, which we will cut into very fine small cubes. We are going to take out the chipolatas. We're going to use 8 of them. So what you just do is separate them. And then I like to cut mine in half. Just nice, simple halves. So in a pan, we're going to put these size spoons of oil and then now heat it up. Add the onions and the chipolatas to this, along with the garlic and the ginger. Then I'm also going to add this garlic ginger paste. I'm going to stir it all in. Just make sure it cooks through. So then we're just going to leave this to cook down, fry, until the onions turn translucent. And at this point, it's now time to add the next ingredient, which is the crushed tomatoes. So to give this a bit of flavor, we're going to just add a little bit of cumin, which is one of my favorite spices, which gives a lot of balanced flavor, nice heat. Then what we'll do is then I'll just mix it up. And at this point, if you want to, you can just taste for salt, add it to your preference, because I know crushed tomatoes already have salt in them. But if you're using fresh tomatoes instead for this recipe, I would recommend that you add like half a teaspoon of salt and then add to taste to your preference. Add a little bit of water, about a cup or so. Put in your Stewsday Dengu, 2 packs. And then just stir it all in. Make sure it's mixed in everywhere. Then you turn down the heat and just give it, again with Stewsday Dengu, 3 minutes and it's going to be ready to eat. The 3 minutes are now up. I'm just going to turn down the heat. And for the last step, what we are going to do is just add a bit of some chopped coriander. It's going to give it some really nice color and a really nice flavor as well. So just mix it all in and yeah, it's ready to serve. So I'm here with Tale from Green Spoon and she's going to be sampling this Dengu chipolata stew alongside the rice. And then tell us what she thinks about it.
It's actually nice. It's perfect. It's nitamu. It's nice. Yeah.
You can find the Stewsday Dengu on the Green Spoon website. You can find it also on their apps that are available for iOS and for Android. You can purchase also the ingredients that were used to make this recipe on those platforms as well. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed.